everybody, it's John here for another unboxing. Amiibo unboxing, actually. And I'm going to unbox the Yoshi and Bowser Amiibo of the Super Mario line. Yes. I got these off of Amazon, I know. Not as cool as hunting for them, but I could not find them, and my camera was being stupid again, sorry. I could not find them anywhere. And you might have to have this angle for right now. Or I can just put the Nintendo one like right there. Much better. Sorry if you have to see the game that's right there, but it's a lot easier than having the camera tilt everywhere. Anyway, yeah, I got these off Amazon. It's a lot easier than hunting. But I still got them, so that's what counts, right? So I guess we get started. Really, I guess we should get started with, let's see. Sorry, I'm just trying to make it so it doesn't, like, move everything. Alright. Let's get started with Yoshi. Trying to make it actually look like I'm unboxing it. God. You know what? Let's try this. This is not the thing. Hold on. I'm experimenting with my iPhone because I don't feel like grabbing my camera just to go on the iMovie and do nothing. And yes, I edit all of the videos in iMovie. There we go. It does not want to work, honestly. It really does not just want to cooperate with me. It's pretty frustrating, actually. Alright. Just cut that off. Alright, and we have our Yoshi. Ooh, he's actually really cool. Take a look. Let me focus it. Sorry. That Yoshi's actually perfect. He's really cool looking. The sculpt is amazing. Yeah. Let's move that way. Alright. Alright, and let's put this into focus. Now we're gonna unbox Bowser. Let me just grab my handy dandy skizzers or skeezors. Actually, this will be much better for me, this angle. Okay. Ooh, please tell me that didn't. Please tell me they didn't screw up everything. Please, Lord. Alright. Here's the slit. Really, guys? Camera is not wanting to cooperate at all. Alright. Bowser. And surprisingly enough, Bowser is one of the few Amiibo that have a little like plastic encasing right here. Alright, let's take Precious Bowser out. Wow, he's a big guy, man. He's huge. Look, oh my god, this shell makes it look great. Bowser looks awesome. So yeah, again, like I said, I'm experimenting with my iPhone, so I really apologize if it does look, the unboxings are pretty bad. I really apologize for that. But more unboxings to come, since I do have 3 more Amiibo to unbox until I'm caught up with all my Amiibo stuff. And by the way, here are the final set cards for the 2 Amiibo, Bowser and Yoshi. And yeah, that's really all we have to show for this. So I will see you guys in the next unboxing video. Sorry, next unboxing video. So yeah, see you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.